Welcome. Today we are visiting a small house that is proving you don't need a huge mansion to enjoy luxury. This beautiful home is simple, modern, and designed for comfortable everyday living. The entrance feels warm and welcoming. Natural wood, clean lines, and soft lighting create a first impression that is both elegant and inviting. Inside, the living room feels open and peaceful. Large windows bring the sunlight, making the space look bright, fresh, and much bigger than it really is. The dining area is simple but beautiful. Everything is carefully designed so the family can enjoy meals together in a calm and relaxing space. This kitchen shows that a small space can still feel luxurious. Smart storage and clean design make the cooking easy and enjoyable. The bedroom is designed for comfort. Soft colors, natural wood, and sunlight create the perfect place to relax after a busy day. Even the bathroom feels like a private spa. Every detail is clean, modern, and carefully planned to make the space feel relaxing. A small home can still include a perfect workplace. This quiet office is ideal for working, reading, or studying in comfort. Step outside and enjoy this peaceful backyard. It's the perfect place to spend time with family, relax, or enjoy a quiet evening outdoors. As the sun sets, this home looks even more beautiful. It proves that smart design, natural materials, and thoughtful planning can create a dream home without making it oversized. Even in the rain, this home looks warm and beautiful. The soft sound of raindrops and the fresh green garden make the whole place feel calm, cozy, and peaceful. If you enjoyed this beautiful home tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing house designs. Tell us in the comments which part of this home was your favorite.